Ever locked yourself out of your own files because of BitLocker? Let's explore how Cognizant ServiceNow Virtual Agent can be your instant key to recovery. First, log into your ServiceNow portal. Look for the virtual agent icon, usually a chat bubble or a similar graphic. Click on the virtual agent icon to open a chat window where you'll start interacting with the bot. In the virtual agent, type BitLocker Recovery. The agent will find and present the right options. Now, follow the agent's prompts. The agent will typically ask for the device name that's locked. Provide the requested device name. Next, the agent will need identifying information, such as your Windows user ID. After providing your user ID, you may be asked to confirm your identity, depending on your company's security policies. Once verified, the virtual agent will retrieve your BitLocker recovery key and provide a copy of the recovery key provided. Finally, use the recovery key to unlock your device, and just like that, you're back in. Cognizant ServiceNow Virtual Agent simplifies BitLocker recovery, making IT support quick and easy.